have it. It's a little police car and it's so cute. On a little walk to see if I can find a little car that's up for grabs. I see this stuff up here just to bring to school for the special education kids. Fingers crossed, because this was posted 45 minutes ago. I have it. It's a little police car and it's so cute. And the lady who was giving them away was pulling away, so I was like, I waved her and she rolled down her window and introduced herself, and I told her that I worked at the elementary school and they're gonna love it. She said, oh, I'm gonna do another clean out. They did have a cute play kitchen, but we have 2 play kitchens in our play yard already. It had my same little condiment, like it was like a little basket metal holder with ketchup and salt and pepper, and they love it. I seriously considered getting a second one, but no, that would be silly to have 2 of them, so left that with the kitchen. But yay! I am losing on my eyeliner, so excuse that. But it is Sunday night. Just put out Sebastian's clothes, my clothes I need to wash, ready for Jack's. Because I just found out that the sweater we bought at the mall, which I said was so that you have more clothes in rotation, is no good for school because it doesn't have a pocket. Because it's not a hoodie. But you chose it. So I gotta wash the main hoodie that's in rotation. But that's okay. While we were cooking dinner, I did get a lot of lunch stuff made. Sorry, brain rebooted because I'm trying to think about other things and talk to you at the same time. And I was like, I need to get my teacups. I can bring them downstairs. So the cold stuff just There's so many dog toys in my room. The cold stuff is done. And these arrived. I do have some tags, but I don't have any that can go the way I need it for a folded brim hat. These ones, you can have them either way. So on one side is how I need it with the holes in the bottom, and the other side, the holes are on the top, like for the edge of a blanket, or at the bottom of a hat if it's not. So I have this one you already saw is done, and then I did end up finishing this one today. It's got a nice peach to pink fade, and this is for one of my little friends who always has her hair in a ponytail. So I did a ponytail hat, but I was kind of torn on it, so I ended up crocheting a little cord and weaving it in so she can wear it as a normal hat if she were to cut her hair and not have a ponytail. I did leave a little gap for right now, or she can loosen it and have it as a ponytail hat. Yeah, I don't need dog hairs on that. I'll clean them before I pack them. So those all have little tags folded over the edge. I'll have to pick which color. And then I started the third out of 4. This one is a green. There's 2 boys and 2 girls. And that's how it's looking. I'm starting to fade this multicolor out because it's almost gone. I only had a little bit. So it might end up only having that on the band, but it is what it is. Yeah, it was a lot of knitting this weekend, and I should have cleaned, but you know what? I am just trying to function. Wow, this plant is going gray. It feels so cold. Interesting. Oh, it was wet. Why is it wet? Why are you wet? That leaf just made my hand wet. Do you see the drop? I guess it's moisture that's in the leaves. Interesting. Can that happen? I'm so confused. Okay, anyway. Why am I sending this to the 13th? Today is the 16th, I believe, so tomorrow will be Monday the 17th. And Monday the 17th is observation day at school. I will just be doing everything as usual because we do every day to our best of our abilities, and we can't control the kind of day the kids have. You're on your toes with special ed. So I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna bring that police car. So Sebastian's gonna come with me to school because he's excited to help with that. I'll bring it in. And I'm bringing some pumpkin cookies that I bought with the groceries. They were just a delivery. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go start that wash and bring my teacup down and get that in position for tomorrow morning. So I gotta move pretty quickly. And I just need to pack up things like crackers and chips. My salad. I still have to pack my salad for tomorrow, but I did get a good head start while we were cooking dinner. So I will see you tomorrow. I'm very thirsty tonight, which is good because I wasn't really thirsty tonight. Anyway, stay safe, be kind, and don't forget, wash your hands.